I-Mop, changing the world of cleaning. I-Mop is the future way of building a full-size heavy-duty scrubber dryer with the agility of a flat mop. The secret of the I-Mop is that we have taken apart a conventional scrubber dryer into its elements, which are traditionally aligned in a horizontal order, and we stack them on top of each other, so it is now in a vertical order. That creates the unmatched footprint, delivering key points such as agility, ease of storage, and this is where the liberation of the cleaner starts. Driven by two powerful brush motors. Twin brush, counter-rotating at a speed of 350 RPM. Supported by a brush pressure of 22.5 kilograms, does the magic of fast cleaning. All kinds of different brushes and pads are available. To suit all your floors you need to clean. High-performance squeegee directly attached to the brush deck, so you won't leave a drop while turning. Easy to take off, easy to clean. Two high-performance lithium-ion batteries managed by a sophisticated system to ensure maximum lifespan. Click on and off the solution tank to instantly adapt to different cleaning areas. Color-coded to HACCP standard to make it easy. Click on and off the recovery tank with magnetic lock for a perfect fit. Two battery indicators show you the residual capacity level for each battery. Ease of use at your fingertip. The intuitive dial switch is where you can select your required cleaning program. The additional water saving button reduces water consumption by 40%. Let's start the joy. Lower the brush deck, select a program, and off you go. With the I-Mop, you don't work. You are dancing over the floor. Joy and liberation for your daily work. Effortless, reaching all spaces, such as corners, underneath the table, and even the edges are easily taken care of. A spill just happened? Solved in seconds, ready and safe to walk over it. Up and away with your mobile workstation, the Island, your coworker for the day. Done for the day, store it safely away. iTeam Global always strives for cleaner, safer, greener, faster, and better solutions for everyone. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video.